Hello, I'm Jim Hurst, Executive Director of the Mendocino Coast Recreation and Park District. As you know, the district's in financial trouble. In January, the district won't be able to meet its payroll and operating expenses. Without your immediate help, we will be forced to close down our facilities in Mendocino and Fort Bragg on December 16th. As a result, I'm asking everyone who can to step up and make a pledge to keep the district operating. How much are we talking about? Well, we're short of about $50,000 a month just to keep the doors open and pay the staff. That's $300,000 between January and June. If 300 to 500 of you were to pledge $100 a month for the next year, it would give us the breathing room to put our finances on firm footing. Now, I realize this represents a big commitment for any single person. But how about this? Talk with your friends and neighbors. Get together 9 people who can afford $10 a month, or 3 other friends who can afford $25 a month. That would do the trick. In just 2 weeks, we've already raised just over $103,000. This includes 58 people who have pledged to give $100 a month for the next year. The response has been tremendous. To meet the district's long-term needs, we are considering asking the voters in June to provide a larger share of tax revenues for the district. Now, property taxes used to cover half of the district's budget. Today, it covers 25%. There's been no revenue increase since 1978. Meanwhile, our costs have escalated. The point is, our need is immediate and urgent. I don't want to see any of our facilities shut down, and I'm sure you don't either. But I can't ask already overworked staff to take more cuts. Think about the fact that 120 full and part-time employees may lose their jobs. At the present time, 5,500 Mendocino Coast residents are using the facilities of the CV Star Center alone. That's a lot of people who will have no place to go swim and exercise at a reasonable cost. Our Mendocino after-school program is essential to the safety, health, and welfare of 200 youngsters and their families. The board must decide on December 15th if we have enough money to stay open. So we need your help now. Pledges and donations can be exchanged for access to the CV Star facilities, or they can be tax deductible. You can download your pledge card at our website, mendocoastrec.org, or pick one up at the CV Star Community Center on Lincoln in Fort Bragg, or at the Mendocino Coast Recreation Center on School Street in Mendocino. Please join us in keeping this great recreation and park district up and running and ensuring our future. Please give me or one of the board members a call if you would like more information. Thanks very much for listening. I'm Jim Hurst.